Tweet, and I had so much fun there. I got a lot of toys with Jess and Tyler, and we got something else. We got this big box where we can open some toys. Okay. I got some bubbles for fun. Cool.
And hold everything up, okay?
We got a pirate thing, and I got another one, but it's over there. So here's one.
Okay, so this is the Treasure X, and this is a toy where they dig up these characters and they look for, it's upside down. They get digging tools and they get all sorts of characters that they're looking for, and they discover accessories to go with those characters. And there's a map and everything. Ooh, what's that?
I got, I forgot some names. I have real ones upstairs, and there's 3 of them.
Oh, the fingerlings.
Yeah, fingerlings, and they can hang up.
I think there's a try me button on it. What does it do when you press it? Look in the center of the belly.
Oh. Do you know the monkey one? The monkey one's funny.
So cute. We love fingerlings.
I
We
got
had a lot
this-
at the holidays.
I got another one, a blue one for me.
Hold it up. Hold it up. So we can see what that is. It is the, hold on, Playphone Pals. And this is really cool because this is like a sensory toy and they get a character in there. They don't know what they're getting. So this is a blind bag. And then they can actually mix and match different characters. They can take apart the, you know, the head and the tail.
I have to tell you something. The Easter Bunny got one for Christmas, and I had
Yeah.
and I got a pink one.
And obviously we're fans of Playphone Pals. We think this is great for pretend play and imagination. What is,
Markers, what are...
oh, take note. This is from Crayola. And these are great. Erasable highlighters, especially great with back to school coming up. Really wonderful colors and bright and erasable. These are always great to have for school supplies.
I'm gonna see what I want to do. What is this? Chalk, is this a game?
This is a game. This is Ice Pop Swap, and it says a sweet color matching card game. We really like the idea of this. This is great. Perfect for travel, and perfect for summertime travel because it reminds you of the holidays. What's that?
I don't know. It looks like bubbles.
Okay, so let's see. It's
You can put it on your tongue.
yes. These are the flavored bubbles that they were showing at Sweet Sweet. So this is Lick a Bubble, and you can create your own flavored bubbles.
And can you put it on your tongue? And it pops on your tongue?
Yes.
And then it tastes so good?
Yep, and we love bubbles. Blowing bubbles is really good for has very good developmental benefits for kids. Speech therapists will recommend that. And okay, moving on. We've got, let's see.
We already got this one.
Oh yes, we do have this. This is the kids mic. We love this. Wireless microphone and Bluetooth speaker. Oh, this looks really interesting. This is Sergeant Stubby. Am I saying this right? Yeah, Sergeant Stubby. And I think there is
Something else in here.
something else in there.
It's a book. Actually, it's a movie.
Ah, it's a movie. So cute. So let's see. Sergeant Stubby, an American hero.
Cool, I got a bag.
Oh. From a perspective of a dog, and a great little cute bag. We'll always use these. Big fans of bags in this house.
I got 2.
Okay, so let's see which ones these are, because these are called, these are squeezies. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to do 2 things at once. Squeezies. And each of them is 1.
This is the vacation.
And there's 12 to collect. Ooh.
And it's the vacation.
Ah.
It's vacation.
Okay, you want to open it up?
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, this is a squeezy.
Can I open
And
it?
it looks like it's like a little aerosol can.
It's,
Maybe like a
it's
hairspray.
coffee.
It's coffee?
Yep.
Yeah, my daughter thinks everything revolves around coffee. I wonder where she gets that from. Yeah. My husband's pointing at me. Okay, what else is in the box? Wait, let's see what else is in the swag box. Come on, pull out some more stuff. And while she's pulling that out, I will show you this. All right. Oh, it's a VTech toy. Awesome. Turn it around. Let's see what this is. Now, you're a little old for this, but this is great. You had these when you were a kid. Let me just... Yeah.
Hi there.
Great for 1.5 to 4 years old.
Wild adventure.
Gear Buddies, Lion,
Press
and
the button
Mouse.
Or turn the gears to
Oh,
play.
I love these. VTech makes such great toys. Nope, that is an inflatable ball for Summer from H2O Go. All right, what else do we have? Oh, Hatchimals blind bag.
What's that? Hatchimal wine bag.
So in other words, when you open that up, you don't know what you're getting inside.
This is, you can make your own Barbie rock with any color.
Well, we're not reading yet. You're not making your own Barbie rock. You're actually making a bath bomb. So this is a really cool arts and crafts kit where kids get to make their own bath bombs. It's great fun.
I got the poop emoji.
Oh, yay! The soft and slow squishy. That is poop. This will certainly be fun to play with in our household. Yay! Pop Beer with the Peanut Gallery in the background. Oh, awesome! North Star Games Monster Match. It's about monsters that are eating up donuts. Part of their Happy Planet series, and we love North Star Games. From Highlights. Knock Knock Book. The biggest, best joke book ever. I think my son will enjoy reading that. See, and again, we hear him in the background. From Smart Games, they make some great individual games. And this is for ages 6 to adult. These are wonderful for travel, building critical thinking skills. Learning resources. Beaker Creatures, Reactor Pod. Really cool new series from Learning Resources where you are...
I would love that.
Yes, you would love that. Releasing a creature. Very cool stuff. Scientifically
You
based.
can make silly stuff. It can look like that slime ball.
Yes! Turn it around so they can see the front, and it is Nickelodeon's Crazy Arts at Nickelodeon Slime.
Know it.
Very cool stuff.
I
Yes.
saw that there.
Wow, a card from Hava.
Mama.
Great. Oh, this is really cute. A cat bug, the bravest warrior.
Oh yeah.
Cat face.
We got it.
Bug. Daddy.
That's what I almost love all
Okay. My son is not feeling well, but he's in the background commenting and saying how much he loves seeing all this stuff. These are these are so soft.
I got something
Squeezables.
Mama.
Ah, the Harry Potter blind bag collectible wands. So you don't know what wand you're getting. Remember, the wand picks the wizard. And there's different options.
Mommy? Give it
Very cool stuff from Jax.
Dad. Mommy, give it to Dad. Chaga, chaga, I want that.
And we had a delivery there issue. It is Gordon from Thomas and Friends. What else we got? I think we're getting towards the end of this. Getting to the front of the box.
We're doing.
Oh, the stacking. This is really cool at Sweet Sweet. The speed stacks, holding that upside down. There was somebody demonstrating how quickly they could do cup stacking. Amazing how fast they were going. And she's squealing because it is a cupcake surprise. Mini cupcake surprise. These are great. They, while it looks like a cupcake, you open it up and it's actually a doll, and they're also scented. Oh, the pushines. These are really cute. The little mini plush from Gun. But it's a little kitty cat character, and I have the sun reflecting, so I'm trying to show it so you can see it. Different ones. And there we go. You can see what's in there. Okay. Oh, it's from Bricks. Ah, for all your brick building. Very cool. We're definitely into building toys in this household, so that'll be great. Look at that. And we are blurry again, so let's go back to being in focus. All right, are we at the end?
Almost.
Almost more? Ooh. Orbs molecules.
I would like to have that. It's mine.
It's always a good sign of a toy is
Mom?
kids fighting over them.
Mommy.
Ah,
wait,
water
wait.
bottle. Nice.
Yeah, I got a water bottle.
Okay, what else? Do we have more? There's still more. All right, let's get to it.
How many did I put in there?
Hurry up. What else? What else? What else?
Over 100. I put this out there.
Oh, no you didn't. Smart Lab. Tiny Science. This looks so cute. Love science kits, science sets. Oh, tiki cards. Nail sticker trading cards. This is interesting. I don't think we saw these at Sweet Sweet, but I am definitely fascinated to play with these. I know somebody else is. And we didn't show this coconut float, the flamingo with shades. That is certainly going to be fun in the lake. And is this the last thing?
Yep.
All right, so let's see.
And that. I forgot this.
Oh. Okay, trying to show this. Five Nights at Freddy's sister location. Ooh. 2 figurines
I
inside.
got a lot of toys.
Wow, there's a lot of toys in here. Yes, there's some stuff definitely for you. All right, well, thank you to everybody who organized Sweet Sweet. We had a wonderful time. Thank you for our big box of swag. There was certainly a lot of swag here. And we look forward to Sweet Sweet 19 next year in 2019. Have a... Are we...